Come. 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables, Exercise 3.1, Part 2, as per 2025-2026 CBSE or insert syllabus. Question number 3. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. First one, let's solve. Let's solve carefully step by step. We are given the pair of linear equations in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. We compare the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 and use the rule if a1 by e2 is not equal to b1 by b2, the line intersect at a point. If a1 by e2 equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, the lines are parallel. If a1 by e2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, the lines are coincident. That means many solutions you will get. Infinite solutions you will get. They are almost lying on one line is lying on the another line. They are coincident. Let's solve the problem. First one is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2y you take into the form this 5 if moves to the left side of the equal to sign, it becomes negative, then changes its sign. That's why minus 5 equal to 0. This is first equation. Second is 2x minus 3y equal to 7 equal to 2x minus 3y minus 7 plus sign on the opposite side of the equal to sign, then moves to the opposite side, it becomes negative ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅವಾಗ. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So a1 equal to, from this equation, a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to 2, c1 equal to minus 5. Okay, then a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to minus 3, c2 equal to minus 7. Then you take this form a1 by a2 equal to 3 by 2, b1 by b2 equal to 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3 equal to minus 2 by 3. Are they equal? Both a1 by a2 is not equal to a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Which condition it is then? Therefore consistent. They are intersecting at one point or one solution you will get. Next sum. Second one, similarly we convert this equation into 2x minus 3y plus 8 comes from this side, it becomes negative minus 8 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Then 4x minus 6y equal to 9. The 9 moves to the opposite side of the equal to sign, it becomes negative, then positive becomes negative. Then 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a1 equal to 2. ಈ line ಇಂದ a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 equal to minus 8. From this equation, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 6, c2 equal to minus 9. You wrote these values. Next, compare the ratios a1 by a2, 2 by 4. That means 2 ones are 2 twos are, that's why 1 by 2. b1 by b2, minus 3 by minus 6. Minus divided by minus is plus. That's why plus sign. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 1 by 2. See, both are equal here. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, both are equal. Let's check c1 by c2. Minus 8 by minus 9. This is not divisible. Minus divided by minus is plus. That's why 8 by 9. So this is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, it consistent. That means these two are parallel lines, never intersect. You will not get any solution for this problem because these are parallel lines, inconsistent. Third one is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7. So multiply by 6, that is LCM of 2 and 3. Find 2 and 3 LCM. 2 ones are, these two are prime numbers, just multiply these two, you will get the LCM. 3 twos are 6, 6 is LCM. Find the LCM and add these two. Convert this equation into the that form. LCM equal to 6. Okay, then solve this. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7. LCM is how much? 6. 6, 2 3s are 3 2s are. Therefore, 3 3s are 9x plus 5 2s are 10y equal to 7. This 6 moves this side. 9x plus 10y equal to 7 into 6 equal to 7 6s are 42. Let's type the 7 6 are 42. That's why you get this equation. You got this. Then you convert this 42, move on the opposite side. Therefore 9x plus 10y minus 42 equal to 0. This is the one equation you got. Second equation is 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Move this 14 opposite side of the equal to sign. It is here nothing, means plus sign is there. It becomes negative here, minus 14. This is the second equation you got. From these two equations, a1 by a2, a1 is 9, b1 is 10, c1 is 42. Then from this, a1 is 9, b1 is minus 10, c2 is minus 14. So now let's check. a1 by a2 equal to 9 by 9 is 1, b1 by b2, 10 by minus 10 equal to 10 by minus 10, 10 ones are 10 ones are, so minus 1 it is. So both are not equal. They are not equal, therefore consistent intersecting lines. One solution. Okay. Fourth problem, equations are 5x minus 3y equal to 11. This 11 bring on left side, so 5x minus 3y plus becomes minus when you bring on the opposite side of the equal to sign. So 5x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. Second one is minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. That's why minus 10x plus 6y. Here it is minus 22. When it comes on opposite side of the equal to sign, it becomes positive, equal to 0. Now from these two, two equations, we find a1, a2, a3, a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 equal to minus 11. Then a2 equal to minus 10, b2 equal to plus 6, c2 equal to plus 22. Then a1 by a2 is 5 by minus 10, that is 5 ones are, 5 twos are, minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is minus 3 by 6, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, that is minus 1 by 2. Then c2 by c1 by c2 is minus 11 by 22. 11 ones are, 11 twos are, that is also minus 1 by 2. All are equal here. All three are equal. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, consistent, coincident lines, infinitely many solutions. Fifth one, 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. These two equations, given equations are these two. What if I have first one, it is, this is the second one. We find whether these are consistent or inconsistent or coincident. Step 1, remove the fractions in this from this sum. What you shall just observe 4 by 3. If you multiply whole the equation by 3, then it comes to the fraction will be removed. 3 3 get cancel, 4x, then 3 2s are 6y, 3 8s are 24. This equation is the first equation now. Then second equation, as it is, you write it. Just bring this 12 on the opposite side of this. 2x plus 3y minus 12. It is minus 24. 1 and 2 equations. From these two equations, a1, a2, a3, you have to find, sorry, a1, a2, b1, b2. Compare the coefficients. Then you get these values. a1 equal to 4, b1 is equal to 6, c1 is equal to minus 24. Then a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 3, c2 equal to minus 12. Then the ratios, a1 by a2 is 4 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 2. b1 by b2 6 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, therefore it is 2. c1 by c2 minus 24 by minus 12, 12 ones are 12 twos are 24, minus divided by minus is plus sign it is, therefore all are equal here. a1 by a2 equal to, so you get the, interpret the result is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. The two lines are coincident, meaning they represent the same line. Final answer is, that's why these two equations result the consistent, lines are coincident and having infinitely many solutions. Please like, share, subscribe, comment and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.